Hi everyone，您好 ，Welcome to Smart Mandarin。我是 Maggie，您好吗 ？This is what we believe the best way for learning Mandarin. Session 17. I have a dog. 我有一只狗。I have a or one dog. 我有一只狗。There is no articles an, or the in Chinese. We use one instead. 我有一只狗。有 is one of the most popular verbs in Chinese. Means have, has, had. It also means there is, there are, there was, and there were. 有 We can say that Chinese language is not strictly grammatical but very contextual. 有 is top and bottom structure. The bottom part is like 月, month, or moon. 有 知 is a measure word for animals. Mouth, 口 and the bottom part is 8. 八 知 Similar to English, a cup of coffee. Here, cup is a measure word. However, measure words are much more frequently used in Chinese, and for different objects, there are different measure words. This sounds quite challenging to second language learners, but don't worry about it. Here is the basic rule. You don't always need to use measure word before an object. Mostly you use them after numbers or this, 这 and that, 那。知 狗 is dog. 狗 is left and right structure. The left part is animal radical. 狗我没有猫。I don't have a cat. 我没有猫。没 is a negative word. You can say here we don't use measure word. 我没有猫。没有 not have or there is no. 没有猫 is cat. 猫 is left and right structure. Again, the left part is animal radical. 猫有没有 have or not have. Do you have or are there? So is a question. 有没有你有没有猫 You have or not have cat or cats. Do you have cat or cats? You can say that there is no singular or plural in Chinese. 你有没有猫 I have two cats. 我有两只猫。我有两只猫。Why don't we say 二只猫？两 means two. When we counting things, we use 两 instead of 二。For example, 2 dogs, 2 cats, 2 apples, 2 o'clock. 两 very special. 两 is half enclosure structure. The outer part is like a half enclosure, but inside is like two persons. 两 Earlier I said that there are many measure words in Chinese. However, here is the most common one. 个 个 If you are not sure about the measure words for the object, you can use a 个. For example, I have one elder brother. is 我有一个哥哥。我有一个哥哥。He has two younger brothers. 他有两个弟弟。他有两个弟弟。She has two younger sisters. 她有两个妹妹。她有两个妹妹。口 means mouth or person. It also a measure word, but only used for describe family members. For example, 我家有5口人 literally means my family has 5 persons. There are 5 people in my family. 我家有5口人 Here you can use 个 instead 口。他家有6口人 literally means his family has 6 persons. There are 6 people in his family. 他家有6口人 Here you can use 个 instead 口。他家有6个人。伦敦有700万人 literally means London has 7 million people. There are 7 million people in London. 伦敦有700万人。英国有6000万人。Literally, UK has 6 million people. There are 60 million people in the UK. 英国有6000万人。Here comes some very large numbers in Chinese. Let's get on with it. 百 means 100. 百千 means 1000. 千 One is 10,000. One. For the numbers above 10,000, we will have different words. 百万 is million. 百万。千万 is 10 million. 千万。亿 is 100 million. 亿。10亿 is 1 billion. 10亿。Thank you for watching. 你很棒。谢谢。再见。If you like our video, please press the like button and subscribe. See you next time.